Ready to become a Temu treasure hunter, unlocking incredible discounts you never thought possible. Let's dive into maximizing savings with Temu's coupon bundles. First, fire up your Temu app. Make sure you're logged in and ready to shop now. Go ahead and start adding all the items you want into your cart. Don't be shy. We're about to make those prices plummet. Alright, cart filled with goodies. Perfect. Tap the cart icon at the bottom of your screen. This will take you to your shopping cart summary. This is where the magic happens. Look for the apply coupon section, usually located below your order total. Tap on it. A window will pop up displaying all available coupons. Now, here's the key. Temu often allows you to combine certain coupons. Check the terms and conditions of each coupon. Usually a small icon. Some coupons are for specific items, while others are site-wide. Select the coupons that give you the best overall discount. You might need to experiment a bit to see which combination saves you the most. Watch your order total update in real time as you apply each coupon. Once you're satisfied with your savings, proceed to checkout. Double check that all your coupons have been applied correctly. Now you're ready to finalize your order. Congratulations! You've successfully mastered the art of using Temu coupon bundles. Now go forth and enjoy your amazing discounts, sharing your money-saving secrets with all your friends. Happy shopping!